You need to hear this if you're a knuckle cracker. Is it bad for you? Let's find out. So, what's that sound? When you crack your knuckles, you're actually popping tiny gas bubbles in the fluid around your joints. Yep, it's not your bones smashing together. Crazy, right? But is it harmful? Many people think it leads to arthritis. Good news, studies show that cracking your knuckles doesn't cause arthritis. Phew. However, doing it all the time might cause some swelling or reduced grip strength. So maybe don't make it a habit during your next big arm wrestling match. In the end, cracking your knuckles is mostly harmless and kinda satisfying. So crack on, my friends. Just remember, moderation is key. Enjoyed the myth busting? Smash that subscribe button, give us a thumbs up, and drop a comment below. Stay curious, stay healthy.